G'day, I'm Ted Jedinak, creator and facilitator of the internationally acclaimed and accredited Fix More Feet workshops, published author and founder and director of the Foot and Leg Centres. We have just had an amazing breakthrough here in Australia. For those of you who haven't heard the latest and greatest, why not? Foot mobilisation has just taken Australia by storm. Yes, foot mobilisation has been featured on television. Isn't that exciting? For those of you who haven't seen the program, I'll give you the link at the end of this video. Since the TV program aired here in South Australia, the Foot and Leg Centre website has received well over 1,500 hits. The clinics themselves have been flooded, and I mean flooded, by emails, phone calls from the public wanting foot mobilisation treatment. Now, believe it or not, that didn't happen because of my blinding charisma. No, it came about because I had an idea, took action and persevered until I got the result I was after. In just one day, my staff booked in 117 new patients into our clinics. It took 3 receptionists to do that. Can you imagine? The phone would be put down, 2 more calls would come straight through. It was unbelievable. To say the phone was run off the hook, it was an understatement. It took 3 staff 3 days just to clear the backlog of messages and emails. And then the program aired in Western Australia. Before it did, I was approached by the TV station for contact numbers of mobilisation practitioners in Perth. Now, Perth is over 2,600 kilometres away. That's over 1,600 miles for you imperialists. I was more than happy to recommend those past graduates of my workshops who'd kept in touch and were going great guns with FMT. Well, what do you reckon happened in Perth? Yes, they too were absolutely flooded with emails and phone calls. They were overjoyed with the response. So far here in Adelaide, we've booked in over 170 new patients and counting. The latest count in Perth is over 130 new patients bookings, and it's only the 2nd day after the segment was aired in Perth. We can only imagine what the count will be at the end of the week and at the end of the month. How mind-blowing is that? And you know how much it cost me to get this TV exposure? Niente, nada, zip, not one cracker, nothing. And for you mathematicians out there, the return on that investment is infinity +1. Hey, but seriously, I'm not telling you all this to brag. I'm telling you because this is yet another reason why you should be using foot mobilisation in your clinic. The evidence clearly shows that the people want it. And who's going to provide the service if it's not you? To be perfectly blunt, if you aren't using FMT in your clinic, then you and your patients are missing out on crucial opportunities. I know that TV is a powerful medium, and I know that you may be thinking that, oh, you'll never be on TV. My question to you is, why not? Why not you? Oh, well, it's pretty easy to come up with reasons why you can't do things, isn't it? But successful people will say to themselves, I can't do that now, but I'm going to find out how to do it. I just love it when practitioners come up and say to me, oh, it's all right for you, Ted, but I can't do that. Or they say, oh, it's all right for you, Ted, but you can do that in Australia, but you couldn't do that here. Look, if you want to be limited in your thinking, then that's your business. But I invite you to keep this saying in mind. Argue for your limitations, and they're yours. You know, I've got just as many concerns, worries, fears, mortgages, family responsibilities, business responsibilities, headaches, issues, just like anybody else. Heck, I earned these grey hairs. But you know what? I'm here to tell you that if I can do it, then so can you. It's not rocket surgery. So put a lid on your stuff and say enough. It's time to help more people like never before. It's time to get the message about foot mobilisation out there, because when people become aware of what foot mobilisation has to offer, the results that they could experience, they want it. I mean, they really want it. You know, here in Australia, we're pretty dinky-die sort of people. It takes a lot to pull the wool over an Aussie's eyes. We're down to earth, practical, highly sceptical. We like to stick to the facts and make conservative, low-risk decisions, and we do our homework before committing to anything. And, fair enough, we're human. What I'm trying to say is, It takes a lot to impress Australians, and it takes a lot to get them enrolled in new and different things. So if foot mobilisation can be a hit amid a predominantly conservative population, then I believe it can be successful anywhere in the world. But of course, you don't have to take my word for it. All you have to do is go to the Fix More Feet testimonial page to read about the successes other health practitioners are experiencing with foot mobilisation worldwide. I'm looking forward to the day you're telling me about the amazing successes you're having as a result of using foot mobilisation in your clinic. Just like Mary from Ireland, who wrote to me just last week. She said, "Hi Ted, had a very successful cuboid dislocation last week. Young footballer's condition had puzzled two eminent orthopaedic surgeons. MRI was inconclusive and the young man had a 2-year history of pain, so in the end took up boxing as no symptoms went on his toes. Luckily a podiatrist in Cork referred him to me. After 2 sessions of FMT, including cuboid manips, his pain is gone and posture returned. Naturally, I'm delighted. Thanks so much for teaching me such invaluable skills. Regards, Mary." Thank you, Mary. Now, Mary is making the most of what foot mobilisation has to offer her and her patients. Mary is capitalising on an amazing opportunity to make a difference, make a positive impact and profoundly change people's lives like never before. To register for a Fix More Feet workshop near you, just go to fixmorefeet.com and register now. Registrations have been open for just 2 weeks and we are already more than half full, so please don't miss out. Jump on the website and make the most of the early bird rate while it lasts. So, time to sign off from Down Under. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Oh, hang on. The link to the TV program is featured on the newsletter that you've just been sent. All you have to do is go back to the newsletter, click on the TV station's image, and that'll take you straight to the segment. And by the way, I just received a phone call today from the TV station saying that the segment's been so popular, they hope to air another story sometime soon. So make sure you watch the segment, find out what all the fuss is about. Have a bonza day, mate, and until next time, be healthy, be wealthy, be wise. G'day, I'm Ted Jedinak, and you're not. I don't suppose we'll use that.